Aligned edges can be created from lines, polylines, and feature lines. The edge grading object forms a straight grid between the two endpoints on a feature. In this example, the line sketched on the surface will be added as an aligned edge to create a swale. The aligned edge will also be added to the surface as a break line to shape the surface triangles. On the grading object tool palette, select aligned edge. Following the command line prompts, pick the CAD geometry you want to use. In the aligned edge properties, specify a logical name and select the color that you want to assign. The aligned edge grading object will appear in the grading object browser. To see how the aligned edge impacts the surface, perform a grading optimization. Before starting the optimization, notice the existing contours and 3D path of the aligned edge. This area of the model will be impacted by the optimization. When you're all set, click Optimize. As the grading optimization progresses, you can see how the contours are impacted around the aligned edge. You can also see how the 3D path of the aligned edge is becoming a constant grade. Navigate the view to inspect the grading from other view perspective. Notice how the aligned edge is forming a swale between the neighboring drain lines. The grade of the aligned edge is determined from the elevations on the opposite ends. These elevations are inherited from underlying zones but can also be defined using elevation offsets.